Tell me what we're doing.
So, we're getting a volcano ready to explode.
What do you have to do?
And we have to put the baking soda in the volcano right in here.
Okay.
And then we have to put that vinegar in. And then it's going to
And where did this
explode.
volcano come from?
We made it.
We made it!
All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do this.
Alright, get a good angle on this.
You got this.
Oh, you got this.
You put all that in there?
Oh, yeah. I'm definitely getting on here.
You like that, V?
Ooh, it's cool. It's going around the volcano. Hello.
You're hilarious.
Whoa.
What a mess. Ew.
Yay!
You like that? All right.
It got me.
Okay, now you have to drink it, okay?
Why?
Because it's delicious.
For real? For real, Daddy?
Don't do it.